Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a very anticipated video. We're going to be racing the RS3 and the M2. The RS3 is stock, aside from Unitronic Midpipes, which delete the secondary cats, but I don't think that adds any power or anything like that. My M2 is 100% stock. If you guys don't know, M2 has 453 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque from the twin-turbo inline-six, the S58. That's what BMW claims it has. Audi claims this has 401 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The M2 weighs about 200 to 250 pounds heavier than the RS3. So this is definitely heavier, but the RS3 is less power. RS3 is all-wheel drive. The M2 is rear-wheel drive, 8-speed auto, 7-speed dual clutch. We're gonna do one roll and we're gonna do one dig because the conditions, it's 115 degrees outside out here in Mexico, so I don't want to beat on the cars too bad. So we're just going to do 2 runs real quick and call it a day. Big difference, huh?
I mean, it wasn't too big, no, but it's good straight.
That is massive.
You know what? This car feels good at high speed, though.
Yeah, once it gets going, it feels okay, but just taking off, it just doesn't take off very quick. Okay, go ahead and honk it off. Feel?
That launched pretty hard.
Yeah, it does have a pretty good launch control system.
It does.
Alright guys, just got back from Mexico, got both cars running, both cars cooling off. Jason, what are your thoughts on the results?
I mean, you were pretty fast. You know, I'm really impressed by the launch control on the RS3 though.
RS3 does have a good launch.
Yeah. Pull my nuts back to the seat.
Those are the results. M2 obviously is a lot faster. I knew it was. I could just tell by the way it feels that it was way faster, but we just had to test it out for sure. The RS3 with a few gallons of E85 in the tank is a lot faster, so maybe we'll come back on a different day, maybe when it's not so hot out, and test out the RS3 with a little E30 mixture versus the M2, because I think that'll be a lot closer, because obviously this was just a complete blowout. Blowout. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.